Hello everyone. Today we will discuss 30 most important GK questions that are frequently asked in SSC, railway and other competitive exams. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment how many answers you got correct. So let's begin. Question number 1. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in. The correct answer is option B, Paris. Question number 2. Who among the following founded the Maurya Empire? The correct answer is option B, Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 3. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? The correct answer is option B, Kosi. Question number 4. The Battle of Plassey was fought in. The correct answer is option A, 1757. Question number 5. Who is the first Governor General of independent India? The correct answer is option A, Lord Mountbatten. Question number 6. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Question number 7. The C unit of power is. The correct answer is option C, watt. Question number 8. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 9. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? The correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 10. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? The correct answer is option A, Article 12-235. Question number 11. The Harappan civilization belonged to which age? The correct answer is option C, Bronze Age. Question number 12. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? The correct answer is option B, Shah Jahan. Question number 13. The currency of South Korea is. The correct answer is option C, 1. Question number 14. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 15. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Question number 16. The Quit India movement started in. The correct answer is option C, 1942. Question number 17. Which continent is called the Dark Continent? The correct answer is option B, Africa. Question number 18. Who discovered penicillin? The correct answer is option B, Alexander Fleming. Question number 19. The Indian Parliament consists of. The correct answer is option C, President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question number 20. Which planet rotates from east to west? The correct answer is option C, Venus. Question number 21. The capital of Canada is. The correct answer is option B, Ottawa. Question number 22. Who wrote Discovery of India? The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 23. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question number 24. The sun is a. The correct answer is option B, star. Question number 25. Who is the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option B, Mother Teresa. Question number 26. Which state is famous for tea production in India? The correct answer is option B, Assam. Question number 27. The headquarters of the United Nations is in. The correct answer is option C, New York. Question number 28. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? The correct answer is option B, A positive. Question number 29. Who invented the periodic table? The correct answer is option B, Mendeleev. Question number 30. The study of earthquakes is called. The correct answer is option C, seismology. So friends, that's all for today's GK session. Comment below how many answers you got correct out of 30. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for daily GK, current affairs and exam preparation videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.